Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to access saved documents on the ONYX Boox Go 6. So if you want to check the documents that you've saved, the first thing that you're going to do is go to the storage. So the storage tab on the bottom, and then we're gonna go to documents. So before we do that, make sure that you're not in the recent tab but in the general files tab, and then select documents. And this is where all the documents will be saved, like books, maybe some notes, stuff like that. They're going to be saved right here. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.